Hey, if you want to pair your Soundcore Space Q45 with the Soundcore application on the phone, first of all you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and then open the Play Store or App Store if you are using the iPhone. Next you have to tap on the search bar and type Soundcore, and we have to download this Soundcore application from Anchor. So let's click on this install button, and now after a few moments we will be able to open this application. And when we open this application, we'll also have to create the Soundcore account. We need to do this because without the account we cannot actually use the application. So click open, and now when you have these pop-ups notifications, accept all of them, just like this. And right now please subscribe to my channel so you will help me to grow it. And as you can see here, we are able to first skip the region by tapping on the USA in the right upper corner. We can log in with the Amazon account, or simply sign up or log in with the currently existing account. When you click skip on the left upper corner, you can also add the device by tapping right here, accept the all permissions, click to turn on the Bluetooth. So on your phone just click on the Bluetooth, click done, and now it is searching for the nearby devices. So we have to grab your Soundcore Space Q45, you have to locate the power button. It's actually located just right here, next to the USB-C port. Then click and hold this button until indicator starts blinking blue. There we go. Right now we can release the button. And now just click to retry. And now it is searching for our headphones, so click on them when you have them on the list. Accept the pairing. And here we've got this wearing guide. Click OK. And now we are successfully connected. So that's it. Right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.